to be around. I just wanted to see my kids one last time. I wanted to spend my last year. We had a year of time to spend with each other. I'm not using this as an excuse, Your Honor, but
You sure about that?
According to this, Mr. Jordan, on September 25, 2024, you pled guilty to assault M2 through Montgomery County, Ohio. On 5/14/2026, you were convicted of disorderly conduct through Vandalia Municipal Court, and on 5/18/26, you were convicted of falsification through Dayton Municipal Court. On October 9, 2024, you didn't show up for an order to report. No warrant was issued. And then on September 17, 2024, you failed to show for a scheduled office visit. So basically, you didn't show for an office visit, and there was a warrant issued for your arrest. In the meantime, you had some misdemeanor convictions in 3 different counties, I believe, or 2 counties, 1 county, 3 different courts. This could result in revocation of your community control, imposition of the sentence that was reserved. You have a right to be represented by an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney will be appointed to represent you. Would you like to have legal counsel?
no, sir.
Okay. You understand we will appoint an attorney if you want one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, I accept your waiver of counsel. Do you admit or deny the charges?
I admit, sir.
Okay.
Can I speak?
Yeah, let me just give
Oh, sorry, I apologize.
the prosecutor a chance. Anything from the state?
Your Honor, pursuant to what Officer Williford told me, that this is the defendant's second time basically going AWOL for an extended period of time. I think it was over 500 days this time. He was basically been gone since 2024. And he had another incident where he went AWOL before that as well in this particular case. This is a felony of the 3rd degree failure to comply case. He only has 271 days of jail time credit, so we do have time. But my understanding is the recommendation is to revoke and do prison. I would concur with that recommendation. In this particular case, this defendant just is not wanting to do any type of community control here.
Okay, thank you. Is there anything you want to say, sir?
Yes, sir. As far as the 2018 case and the other ones, they're old cases that never popped up. The 2024 case and prior to this case, I found out last year that my fiance, had heart failure. And I'm not using this as an excuse, Your Honor. And I wanted to spend my last year. We had a year of time to spend with each other, and I couldn't afford to go. I had custody of the kids at the time period. I couldn't afford to go back and forth to here to her heart appointments. And I lost her July 22nd, 2025. I'm not using this as an excuse, Your Honor, but I just wanted to spend as much time with her as I possibly could. It's not an excuse for why I couldn't call and tell them why I wasn't going to report the 2024 case, Your Honor. I did notify probation about it, and I actually did talk to Trotwood, and by the time everything was appropriated to me, I got arrested, and they gave me my sanction time of 10 days and terminated my probation. I have full custody of both my twin boys. I'm fully employed with 2 jobs. I work at American Freight and Home Health Movers. I just got promoted to manager position to where now I can go to the amnesty program and get my license and start driving the truck. I just don't want to be taken. Listen, my kids already lost their mother last year. I don't want to be taking out their life as well. And it's not that I don't want to do community corrections, Your Honor. I just lost my fiance last year, and I wanted to spend the last year I had with her.
Oh,
this opportunity, this last chance, this last moment. I promise I give my full word as me as a man.
I'll
just have the means, the transportation.
All right, thanks.
Kids is on the schedule of going to school and work and daycare. Me as well. I can do it. I know I can. I know I'm fully capable and possible of doing it this time. It's just last year was a very hard time for my family. The loss of my fiance really did a devastating blow on me. It really did. I keep clean. I don't do drugs. I don't drink liquor. I don't do anything but constantly, consistently take care of my children.
Oh, you did?
Okay, thank you.
So
So what happened in Vandalia? What did they give you?
Terminated everything, Your Honor.
Okay, what happened in Dayton Municipal for?
That was an old case. For some odd reason, when I came through, they said it wasn't popping up in their computer, that it was a warrant or an old case. I think that's the 2018 case you're speaking on.
Okay, if we checked the disorderly conduct, what are the facts on that?
Disorderly conduct. I was in a bad situation around some people that was around my neighborhood, and I just was being a little bit too observant. I just wanted to protect.
Were you under the influence of anything?
No, sir. I just was being assertive about my children. I didn't want them to be around. I just wanted to see my kids one last time. And I didn't want the people that was there around my kids. I literally don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't do anything, Your Honor.
Okay. Anything from probation?
Your Honor, I just have a concern with the idea that this is not the first time Mr. Jordan has absconded. The first time he absconded for 396 days. This time was 599 days. He's already completed a CBCF. I think the concern is, he's been given multiple opportunities to reschedule appointments, and Officer Sukavecki, who was his supervising officer at the time, gave him multiple chances and multiple, solutions, and yet he still did not show. I think the concern is that just Mr. Jordan has not put in any willingness to actually show up for his probation and to put in any work for his probation.
So, other than that disorderly conduct in Vandalia, the Dayton case was a 24 case, correct? Has he had any criminal charges other than the ones in 24?
Not that I know about. I know that the disorderly conduct in Vandalia and the Dayton Municipal were both more recent than the assault in Montgomery County.
Okay. Well, they were in 24 though, right?
Correct.
Okay. Was he tested when he got to the jail this time?
He was negative, Your Honor.
Okay. Who has your kids?
Right now, my father-in-law. He's 50-something years old, Your Honor. He's doing his best. Like he's doing his best, and the time schedule of me trying to contact him even in here is abrupt. He's an older gentleman. He's
50s?
Yeah, not saying like he's not capable. I apologize. Not saying I'm sorry. I'm not saying like he's not capable, but it's a lot of stress. I have two twin boys. I have 8 kids, Your Honor. My oldest is 17. I have 2 twin 7-year-olds, 2 twin 2-year-olds. I have a 10-year-old, 8-year-old, and a 6-year-old. They're younger kids. They're not sit-still kids. They're lively. Dance recitals, football practices. Like I apologize, I really do, and I cannot sit here and make an excuse like I haven't made my mistakes. I have.
Okay, you've already said all that. I understand. So he has 9 months credit, right?
Is the minimum he could go, yeah, I mean, it's up to 36 months. I don't think, from what I could tell, he did not, like a certain amount was not reserved at the time.
How much credit does he have? 9 months and 1 day, is that what it is?
271.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry what you meant. Okay,
Yeah.
I see what you mean. Sorry, jail time credit. Sorry about that. Wow.
How long has he been in jail here?
Since the 31st.
Okay. Today's the 8th, right?
Correct.
Okay. Impose 30 days as a sanction. Credit 8. So he's got 22 days remaining. We'll terminate your community control at the end of 22 days.
I got 22 days to serve. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
22 days to serve, then you're done with us.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. I can do that. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Neutral, Your Honor, or
As
unsuccessful?
long, well, he's on supervision until he's released here. If you have a probation violation hearing, meaning if you have a fight at the jail or if you get any kind
I've
of
got no
problem, then you could serve the entire sentence.
Yes,
But
sir.
if you stay out of trouble in the jail between now and the time you're released, then you'll be done on a neutral termination.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.